Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with clean, damp hair so the product adheres. Towel blot to about 70% dry. Take 1-2 pumps or a small, dime-sized amount and warm it between your palms. Once done, apply to mid-lengths and ends first where damage concentrates, then smooth any remaining product toward the roots. You should work in sections if your hair is thick. This ensures even distribution and avoids weighing hair down while giving targeted nourishment where curls form. Now you define curls by working in manageable sections. Rake the product through with your fingers, then scrunch upward to encourage curl clumping. If you use heat, set a diffuser to low and cup curls gently. Otherwise, let hair air dry for softer volume. Make sure to layer sparingly. Apply a small amount, more only if sections visibly absorb it. This sequence controls frizz and builds definition while preventing product buildup, so your curls maintain spring and movement rather than feeling stiff or heavy. To finish, you seal the style with a light oil or serum on the ends for shine and lasting frizz control. Once dry, you can gently diffuse root area for lift or leave as is for natural shape. Make sure to refresh curls the next day using 0.5 pump diluted in a spray bottle with water to reactivate product. If you notice heaviness, reduce the amount by about 25% or dilute the product with a leave-in to maintain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.